Welcome to another DIYauto.com video DIY. In this episode, we'll be changing the oil in our 2001 BMW 740iL. Here's a list of what you'll need to complete this procedure. The first step is to safely jack up your car. It's recommended to let your car cool so the oil isn't hot when it comes out. Open the oil filler cap on the top of the engine. Position the oil pan under the drain plug and use a 17mm socket to carefully remove the oil drain plug. Be careful as the oil may be hot. Next, remove the oil filter housing with an oil filter wrench. You will replace the paper filter and any rubber O-rings with the new ones that came in the box. When the oil is finished draining, use your 17mm wrench to reinstall the oil drain plug. Make sure to include the copper drain plug washer. Now you can start refilling your car with oil. Make sure to check under the car for leaks as you fill the car up. When finished, use the dipstick to make sure your oil is at a proper level. Good job! Make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out DIYauto.com for more DIYs and build threads. Or join the community and show off your own ride. Thanks for watching.